Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Buddha Z move is unlocked and the correct Z crystal is equipped. This ensures the engine will accept the command. Next, position yourself. Move within 2 to 3 meters and face the target so the targeting cone aligns. Once done, check your energy or stamina. Make sure it reads at least 50% so the move completes without interruption. Now adopt the invocation stance and hold the activation key briefly to begin the casting window. Timing matters for the follow-through. With stance established, hold the activation button and press the directional input toward the target to lock direction. This orients the move and scales damage. Watch for the flash frame when the screen pulses slightly, and release the button at that instant to trigger maximum potency. Immediately after release, chain a light attack within roughly 0.8 seconds to claim the combo multiplier. This timing boosts follow-up damage and prevents stagger. If you miss the window, step back and reset to the initial stance before retrying. After impact, watch for hit markers and any applied status effects. This confirms the Buddha Z move connected and your modifiers applied correctly. If the move misfires or is weak, check the Z crystal durability or inventory binding, and then test input latency. High lag often causes missed release timing. Make sure to practice this sequence in training mode. Repetition builds the muscle memory to reliably hit the flash frame. Finally, adjust your approach distance slightly if enemies are slipping out of range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.